Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Woman Haul. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and today I'll show you in this video. So stylish and latest collection of leather skirt. Many much more, different variety, different designs, ideas of leather skirt for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of stitching, some ideas front zip, some collection back zip, and so stylish, beautiful stitching designing on skirt. Zips designs on skirt, button designs on skirt, and today's in my collection some ideas beads designs on skirt, and so beautiful top, designer top, and different type of t-shirts, dress shirts, and very stylish sweaters, zipper sweaters, high neck sweaters, and many much more beautiful ideas of leather skirt for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.